Hello students, welcome in virtual classroom. Let's facilitate learning. Today we are discussing brainstorming activities of our second lesson, which is titled as On Saying Please, written by A.G. Gardiner. In the earlier two videos, we have discussed icebreakers and brainstorming activities. In this virtual lecture, today we are going to speak about activity 5 and activity 7. So, let's try to understand what the activities and why they are asked. Speech on courtesy is the light of life. सौजन्यशीलता प्रकाशमय जीवनाचा मूलमंत्र. Here we have an example of speech. Let's study that. Respected dignitaries on the dais and my dear friends, today I am going to express my views regarding courtesy. What is courtesy? The meaning is very simple. It means our gentle and polite behavior in our day to day life. Friends, courtesy is the valuable act of our civility and good manners. It is the way of behaving and taking with others. Imagine you are traveling by bus and a lady with a baby in her arms standing beside you. What will you do? This is the time to test humanity in you. She will never forget your courtesy if you show your sympathy for her. Courteous behavior has the power to make the situations in favor of you. You will definitely get the satisfaction of your deed. Selfish people never experience this valuable aspect of life. Their world is quite different from others. They have neither social awareness nor knowledge about the real value of life. Friends, courtesy costs nothing but pays a lot in return. A courteous person is always liked and loved by all. These people are called the real pillars of society and nation. They never behave rudely, they never discourage others. They always lead their life for showing the light to those who are in darkness. They are the light houses to guide numbers of people coming in their way. Emerson had rightly said, life is not so short, but that is there is always time for courtesy. Really, it's our moral duty to have courtesy in us. It is the real light of human life. That's all. Thank you very much. Next activity, which is based on expansion of ideas. Let's try to understand what expansion of ideas means. Expansion of idea means to understand and to describe the meaning and idea given in the particular text. The text may be a proverb, a idiom, a title, a poetic line, or a good thought. The words used in this text are rather symbolic. The words are systematically decoded, which imply a very artistic value. Most of the time, this kind of text is used to sum up the idea. Let's try to understand it in Marathi also. एखाद्या शीर्षकाचे, एखाद्या म्हणीचे, एखाद्या वाक्यप्रचाराचे किंवा एखाद्या सुभाषिताचे केलेले अर्थपूर्ण व शाश्वत वर्णन म्हणजेच कल्पनाविस्तार होय. यामध्ये त्या गोष्टीचे स्थलकालातील सत्य हे स्वतःच्या शब्दात स्वतःच्या कल्पनेने अतिशय मनोरंजक पद्धतीने उलगडून दाखविले जाते. Let's try to discuss example based on expansion of idea. Manners make man. The proverb manners make man means how the politeness and good manners are essential to humanity. This proverb is thus often used as a way to remind people to be polite. Good manners can apply to several aspects of human life, including how we speak, the words we use, our tone of voice, our gestures, and our actions. A well mannered person is courteous, amiable, and always friendly. He is not vulgar in his speech or manner. He is a pleasant speaker and gives a patient ear to what the others have to say. The well mannered interactions between student teacher, and parents, children, etc. teach us a lot. Next activity question: Introduction of soft skill. A soft skill is a personal attribute that supports situational awareness. It enhances an individual's ability to get work done. The term soft skill is often used for people skills or emotional intelligence. Soft skills are broadly applicable across job titles and industries. The term soft skill is very broad and unique. It tests people skill and personal ability. So, which are the soft skill? People skill in various fields, social and communication skill, character or personality traits, attitudes and career attributes, social and emotional intelligence, and ability to complete tasks are important soft skills. Here we discussed about soft skills. Now, which are the most important soft skills that we have? Leadership, work ethics, problem solving, communication, teamwork, flexibility, creativity, positivity, assertiveness, conflict resolution, listening, taking responsibility are soft skills. Then we have interpersonal relations, self control, organization, common sense, enthusiasm, motivation, self motivation, decisiveness, group discussion, empathy, management, and stress control. Top soft skill training institutions in India: Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad, Gujarat; Indian School of Business Management, Hyderabad; Xavier School of Management, Jamshedpur; Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, New Delhi; London Institute of Corporate Training, Mumbai. Job opportunities for soft skill: Customer Service Center, Management School, Hotel Industry, Motivational Lecturer, Soft Skill Trainer are some of the job opportunities in the field of soft skill. Today, we discussed various activities which are given in lesson number 2nd on saying please, written by A.G. Gardiner. We will meet in the next video with new information. Thank you.